Hi everybody, welcome. It's Caitlin from Shumatt, China. Today the product we'd like to show you is our unit palm. And now please follow me, let's see more details. And firstly, I would like to show you the outside package, this brown box, right? And actually for the outside packages, we Shumatt support customized service such as the logo, label, packages, etc. And now we will show you the inside unit palm for you. Okay, firstly, let's see it one by one, and you can check this part. For this unit palm, and the product code is 21023991, and original new with neutral packaging. Okay, now let's see each spare parts. And firstly, as you can see, this red button part, right? And this is the oil inlet. When I take off, you can see this part, the oil inlet. Okay, now let's see next part. This is the plug here. And on the surface, you can see there is the QR code and the product code printed on this position. When I move to this position, you can see the small apertures, right? That's the oil outlet. With 3 sealing rings here, 1, 2, 3, right? And this is last part is the springs. The spring here. Actually, there has small accessories, and I will got it for you. The roller. Take a look. When you install the roller, you can move in this way. And each product that we Shumatt support the 6 months warranty time, so you got the quality guaranteed for this product. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for watching. Let's see you next time here. Caitlin, wish you have a good day. See you.